so quiet. There's nobody in here. No, and I'm fresh as hell. I can't wait to get started. Alright. Okay, 8 hours of work done. Now let's get back to the studio where I can scream in peace. Okay, I can't go home yet. I forgot my charger. But no, because this is mama. Oh my god. Okay, video ko ko may narakpokan ko sa naktsingibinnersoq kisini. I'll try. Woni nuinaakku taat paasisinnaangisara. Unaakkusina uanersormiippo inuinaakku tingsartangaa. Sia paasisinnaarasorlu kanukuka umasunakorsaat. Kisinilu inittamaimik uanersormiilluti. Taasormitaana uanersormi inuinaakkuteqingittut uffa init amersanerpaat uanersormiittut sulaffaqarfinnaallu uanersormiilluti. Taaluuna ikaarfingissallugu uleriinaasinnormusorlilaat pikangaanni takkuttoqassoo kanangaanillu uaniittullu ugguunaartussallu tukorpiarsinnaangilaatit ungalu ikaarniarlutit like sukkalisaartoqarpa uleriinartorsiorputimaanikkuvit. Oh my god! Hey! Qulliga qissimabaan. Taikalaamaqornertuunaassisaraassit. No, Snapchatik malinnaasimasun Instagramikkulluni nalifsagnilaani what's going on. So taamnuunnaartingersaqqulli ikumanersut. Qamingasoriuungaluaramik ukkua ilivaaterimiittoqulliit maasapaatikkunneripingasmussissuut. Okay. Vlog itamaanga killippallaartinnangu naamngilaaullimikku Ataasinngorneq ammatikuteerparullaakkulli trainerarpunga taulu ullamikku qartulaasuppa Ataasinngorneqariarmat why I love Monday. Tuluttuallunnikuakka unaminillumu soopanerpo tuluttoqaatsit siullutul ungutakkuteriasaartaan taatikiapaamining. Siullertul Sooq Ataasinngorneq nuunnarisaqinginga vikinsinaasormat naak vikinsimma ajungikkaluartu imma eqqissisaatingaluungu qasuersaarfinganu but that's pretty much it. Allami vikinsi suffissaangila tipa it's ullutallima suleerputi just relax maybe maarunit allami hoopeqaawai taakkusuliarikkit. So vikinsinaaserpoq and I'm happy that it ends. Feriarsinnaangilani luami taamammat amma vikinsinnaangaangat iluasorussuusarpaa just namassivo. Nomutsu suliartorsinnaatitaaserpunga inuimmaa amerlasu oqartarput. Oh my god, I have to go to work. Allaangila it's some kind of a punishment suliartornissarnut. Imma allangili maappillaagaasut misiisutit. So allaati qarsartaati taarseriaakku you don't have to go to work. You get to go to work. Tatamaalluti qarsartaasi allangoriorussuarsinnaaru. You don't have to go to work. You get to go to work. Alloriorussuo oh my god. Suliartorsinnaasitaunga like can I do that? So you get to go to work. I get to do what I love. Na Nakimma inuit amerlasorpassuit suliasartakkatik nuunnaringaluaqat ma atuartut masakkotuangartik sorlu they like it marunni they're okay with it takisianni they don't really love it like suliartarna yo qamami akissarsinissa pingauterarpoq sorlu you need to get paid for what you do takisianni if you're just doing it for the money, you're gonna lose. Arsartussaautit oritana pillungsulianqartaaruit. Taimma qamuna iluamik pilluavillut suliaqinngittutit oritana pillungit. But because the paycheck is so fat, like country mertarpu simi annertoriumik kisinni you hate it. So number 3, I get to do what I love. I just love it. I don't like it. I love it. Tawa 4. New week, new energy. I'm on Instagram minni allanikuan. Nuta Ataasinngorneq it's like a reset. Allangidat yenora allaqaata asorlu nutaamik anguniaqalissuutit. Ukusapaatia kunnikimullaq angorsitatengorpatit. And now you're on to new things. Imangitto you should set your goals. You should set your goals every week, every day, every year, every month. Tamamat new week, new energy. Nukisanaqinikuutit vigintersuat tamat 12 now it's time to get back to work. Because I need like I will get lazy and I will get fat for started doing the show like it's just therapy. New week, new energy. Tamam pihautidosso. Nutanik is masaksinorton sak kanorlunit to always improve yourself. Maruni atuangan utaatuarlungi marun teknikkinutaat miissorlungit maruni suliassa sapernikusati marunit arlaatingut artukkernikus imminaartukkernikus maasnaasu tamakku angusaleritit tamama new week new energy more energy taisumarpo sapaatiakunnermiik nukissaanikusati qaffaqqilaarartarlungit like new energy new energy. Tatawatlit ukiuqulqaangippata imminassaassuuti like you're on a whole different level. Like if you keep this up, ukiuqulit, you're gonna be on another level. Like because now for me like you're gonna be up there. So new week, new energy. Nammutallimaatut allappara. I have no choice. I have no choice but to love it. I have no choice but to get back to work. I have no choice to have new energy. I have no choice. I have no choice. Like there's no alternative. Like if you're gonna win big, you have no choice. It's like, hey, can I start over? No, you can't. Of course. You could just start over, like nutani. Imangito, okay, sunitamat noringortarlung. Can I start over? No, you have no choice. Like if you're gonna go big, in order you need to love Monday. You need to begin to you need to you need to do what you love. You need to have more energy. You have no choice. It gets when you have no choice. And you need to succeed. I challenge you. Ataasinngorneq allatulaa like you need to get back on life. You need to atuaqqattariarpatin kimlermi piakkersimaanguit ataiduamik атуаартарнерусаарақарпутит окей qupperneritivaannaat atuaqqusaamut innativa tuakki allami iliniaassiteqippuun iliniaassut marlungorlun suliarikki mathematic taana soqutaullangal do it anyway. You have no choice. I challenge you to rethink Monday. Noippo tamakko qartukakka Ataasinngorneq pillungo why I love Monday so damn much. Noippo arlaan paasiseqalaarsimassut qonaussorlillisinnaalaarsinnaavit vlogi tullissaani takoqqikkumarpuun